I think which is one of the first cost films that we've seen from Sunny Leone, the brand Sunny. Okay, why smoking, right? And what made you say yes and do this film pro bono for India to see? What is the reason?
First of all, smoking is bad for your health. Secondly, this is something that is very close to my heart. My father passed away from cancer, from smoking cigarettes. I watched him every single day in the hospital, in pain, suffering, and I don't think any child, any family member should ever see anything like this. It is the worst thing you'll ever see in your life. So that's why I said yes. I want people to stop smoking and live a happier, healthier life.
That's really kind of you to tell us your thoughts. Deepak ji, you're a smoker, right? So you do smoke cigarettes, right? So do you think you've lost an opportunity of your last wish getting fulfilled, and eventually do you want to stop smoking now that you've seen the film?
ये एक्चुअली क्या है, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँ.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
मैं सिगरेट पीता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत कम हो गई है इस ऐड के बाद. सीरियसली मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. और ये एक बात थी कि आप एक ऐसा ऐड कर रहे हो जिसमें आपको स्मोकिंग छुड़वानी है, जिससे मैं खुद परेशान हूँ. मैं खुद सबसे बोलता हूँ यार कोई है जो छुड़वा दे मेरी, मैं वाकई में छोड़ना चाहता हूँ और काफ़ी कम हो गई है. और इस सप्ताह के एंड तक मैं छोड़ दूंगा. मैं इसी से जूझ रहा हूँ.
तो
और एक मैसेज है जो समाज में जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसकी जब लत लगती है तो शौक में लगती है, दोस्ती यारी में लगती है और दिखावे में लगती है. लेकिन जो जब लत लगती है तो उसे छोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आपको पता ही नहीं आप क्यों पिए जा रहे हो. खुशी है तो सिगरेट, दुख है तो सिगरेट, कोई भी मूड है तो सिगरेट, चाय पी रहे हो तो सिगरेट, खाने के बाद सिगरेट, इसके बाद सिगरेट, वॉक पे सिगरेट, खेलने के बाद सिगरेट. मतलब इस तरह का एक लत लग जाती है जो आपकी लाइफ का एक पार्ट बन जाती है, जो आपका लंग्स कमज़ोर करती है, स्टेमिना कमज़ोर करती है. और जब स्टेमिना आपका कमज़ोर होता है या कम होता है तो आपके विचार भी कमज़ोर हो जाते हैं. तो ये मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं. तो मैंने बहुत कम कर दी है और इस सप्ताह के एंड तक मैं छोड़ दूंगा. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Sunny, one more quick question to you. I'm sure in this industry a lot of people smoke. Okay, I'm sure the crew that you work with also smoke. A lot of people are addicted to smoking cigarettes. How do you actually, and you've had a personal loss, and thus you're very, you take this issue very seriously. How do you actually try? Do you preach? Do you tell other people to quit smoking, or do you just let them be?
Well, the unfortunate thing with addictions is you can't force anybody to do anything. It has to be something that you want to do. Like Deepak sir has just said that he wants to quit. And I think there's always that first step, and it's in your heart, it's in your mind, you have to make that decision. Unfortunately, you can't force anybody, but you can spread the message. Logo ko bol sakte ki please don't smoke around me. Take your cigarette outside. I think that if maybe the government or maybe people, restaurant owners, come united and say we don't want to smoke inside our buildings, that would be a first start. That would be amazing. So
Great.
I hope that happens.
Great, thank you. And I'm sure you doing this message and spreading this message, a lot of youngsters are definitely going to have.
For the youngsters out there, I'm telling you, if you haven't started smoking yet or you're thinking about it, don't pick up that first cigarette. It's not worth it in the long run. And if you smoke cigarettes, you just have to make the decision to stop or not stop. It's your choice. But for the youngsters out there that have not picked up that cigarette yet, do not pick it up. It's not cool, trust me.
Sunny Leone saying this, I'm sure all of you should agree. Right. We couldn't have with us the legendary Alok Nath ji. So he's given his regrets. He wanted to be here today. Deepak ji, aapka agla sawal. How was it working with legends like Alok ji, as well as how was it dying in the arms of the lovely Sunny Leone?
नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत मज़ेदार था एक्सपीरियंस. और आलोक जी की तो मैंने सिर्फ फिल्में ही देखी थी अभी तक, तो पहली बार उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला और बहुत ही प्यारे इंसान है. और सनी तो मतलब इतनी एक्टिव और इतने पॉजिटिव अप्रोच के साथ वो शूट करते हैं कि पूरा जो माहौल है वो सिर्फ उनको देखता रहता है. मतलब एक ये है, तो उनकी जो पॉजिटिविटी बहुत कमाल की है. जितना वो इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं और कोऑपरेट करती है पूरे ग्रुप के साथ, वो काबिल तारीफ बात है.
cool. Before I move on and call other important people on the dais, I just want to do the Shri Ganesh of the film. Okay, I would request both of you to kindly tweet the film and ensure that people see it live, India sees it live, and it breaks the internet, and we spread this message along.
एक मिनट इसके अब ये बात है, अगर रिट्वीट करने वाली बात है तो मैं इसी टाइम से बोलता हूँ कि मैंने सिगरेट छोड़ दी है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। एक सप्ताह नहीं अभी से। थैंक्स। ओके,
thank you. So that's great. We are requesting a live tweet to happen from Sunny Leone and Deepak. There's no service in here. Okay, so that's the con of doing a press conference in a theater. So we'll get out and then tweet. Koi baat nahi. Okay, the film that you've actually seen is the vision of a genuinely talented human being who's worked sleepless nights to put this together. Assisted, and the look that you see after assisting Mr. Sanjay Leela Bansali, you also saw his film Hawai Zade. Okay, so can we have the director, Mr. Vibhu Puri, the captain of the ship? A huge round of applause for Vibhu, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain of the ship, Vibhu. Vibhu, a quick question to you. I think I'm sure all of us agree that you've done a splendid, marvelous job. Okay, the germ of an idea that the creative team had to translate that vision into a beautiful film. All hats off to you. Okay, what did you think when you were approached to direct this film? What thought came to your mind? How was the entire Haryanvi perspective? Can you tell us about the making of the film?
I still remember one early morning, Manish sir. Ankit has actually written it, and he's done a splendid job at it. So somebody, Manish Bhatt, called me up one day in the morning, and he explained the script to me. He said, would you be interested in doing it? And I'm an asthmatic myself, and I've grown up with people around who smoke without even a concern about what is happening to your own fellow beings. So I was very moved, and the sort of message it was very quirky, very funny. So I jumped at it and I said, don't you go to anybody else anymore. I am doing it, what come may. And then he told me Sunny is there, and then he told me Deepak is there. Deepak and I have known each other for at least some 12 years now, from the time when I was a struggler and he was a struggler. So we've grown up literally together. So it was lovely to reconnect with him. And of course, big round of applause to the entire team which made this possible, especially Escaping Elephant, Dilip. Without him, this wouldn't have been possible. The entire crew, Harshit and Ankit, both of you, and of course Aditya. Without all of you, this wouldn't have been possible. Manish is not here, sadly. He's in Delhi for some engagements. But even he, so the entire team is one behind this, and it is very, I represent all of them. Unfortunately, you can't have all of them out here, but I represent all of you guys. This is your dream. I just happen to be there to do it through.
No, I think you've really taken this dream to a new heights and scale, so thank you very much. One small question again, as a director, as the captain of ship, for your future films, do you think smoking should be banned on sets?
Smoking should actually be banned on the sets for sure. Smoking in any public outlet should be banned. It's banned in theaters, it's banned in public areas, in markets, in malls. Why not film sets? But yeah, as far as creative license goes, whether smoking should be banned in films or not, that's another story. But smoking on sets should surely be banned.
While we're on the thanking mode, I have to specifically mention, I think the film has happened when the germ was there, and the first person to have the germ being discussed was a man who's sitting here called Mr. Daniel Weber. And he had the broad eye and the vision, the keen eye and the vision to actually see this film being made. So thank you very much. Without your support, I don't think this would have been possible. So thank you very much for us to actually mount this film. Because I think when we say that Sunny Leone is part of this film, I think everyone's excited. and automatically the excitement level increases 100 times fold. So yes, so thank you very much for a vision to actually make it happen. And last but not the least, okay, like to invite on stage truly two gentlemen without who would say the film could never have happened. Okay, the producers of the film, the men who've got philanthropy as their middle name. So the Morarka brothers, can we please have Mr. Anil Morarka and Mr. Manish Morarka on stage, please? Thank you. A round of applause. Anilji, a quick question to you. Okay, you've been associated with multiple causes in the past. We've known you support so many causes a year. Why this film?
Friends, very good evening to you all. First and foremost, what Aditya just said, Bambaiya Bhasha mein khujli bol lo usko. The fact is, yes, I have been associated to a couple of causes in Bombay today. I'm too small a fish in this ocean. But dreaming should never end. Friends, I definitely dream big. And definitely think bigger on those lines. We should come out with some things, some concepts, where people really look at it, look over it, and understand, yes, this is what one should really do and talk about. Coming back to why smoking. We are also associated to building up a crematorium in Bombay. It's in Goregaon East called Shivdham. We have not only constructed that, we have also handling it in totality. Friends, I keep seeing bodies coming there quite often. It's almost 6, 7, 10 bodies in a day. Well, when you really get the detailed information on it, आपको ये पता चलता है कि काफ़ी डेथ्स जो हो रही है कैंसर की वजह से हो रही है. और जब ये आइडिया, when Aditya brought it forward to me, I said, yes, this is one we should definitely work towards it. And my special thanks to the entire team, dear friends. Inke bina, it would have never been possible at all. I have got highest of regards for all these people out here. Alok ji, of course, couldn't make it. It's unfortunate, it's sad. But yes, otherwise, in totality, the crew, the team, what Aditya has in totality. Fantastic, guys. The youngsters today is what the tomorrow is of India. Friends, when I talk youngsters, the second reason also why I opted to go for this is, again, the youth. By default, I am associated to almost about 42 colleges of Bombay today. And youth is a powerhouse. I humbly request one and all here, as what even Sunny Bam requested, please, please avoid smoking in totality. If at all you are even planning to get into it, please do not do that. It is a disaster, not only for you, for your family members as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anilji. You're a man who practices what you preach. You're a non-smoker, as we all know, and kudos to you for supporting a cause like this. Thank you. Okay, we'll just quickly do the felicitation. So we'll start off with the gorgeous lady here. So I'd request Anilji to please present a small token of appreciation to Sunny. can we have the question answers, please? Can I request the cast to please settle down? Yes, any questions, please? Guys, you have a beautiful ensemble cast here and creative people on stage. Any questions for the press? By the press to the stars? Anybody? No one? Yeah, please.
I like to always tell the truth, so the answer to that is yes. And it was gross, disgusting. So yeah, that's how. The thought was is like, oh cool, everybody's trying this. Let me try. But it wasn't. It's not for me. It never has been, and it'll continue to be that way. Yeah, of course. I know ज़्यादा peer pressure होता है. हाँ, okay. I know that peer pressure होता है, school में होता है, जब आप friends के साथ होते हैं, peer pressure होता है, लोग cigarette smoke करते हैं, ऐसा cool भी लगता है, yeah, I have the cigarette in my hand. But in actuality, ज़्यादा cool नहीं है, and आपके सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, and it doesn't just affect you, it affects everybody around you. And if you're going to try it, just think twice about trying it. I can't say that in Hindi. How do you say this in Hindi? Try mat karo. So I hope that the message is clear.
Hello, Anil ji, Anil Muraka ji. Yes sir, yeah, this is right. Yes sir, hi. I'm Ramesh Rao from Blockbuster Magazine. First of all, congratulations to you कि आपने इतना अच्छा सोचा कि हम जिधर भी जाते हैं देखते हैं लड़कियां और लड़के स्टाइल में स्मोक करते हैं, जैसे कि बहुत 10 लाख रुपए मिलने वाला है, ऐसा स्टाइल करेंगे, ऐसा स्मोक उड़ाएंगे. तो ये बहुत अच्छा आपने ऑब्जर्वेशन किया. स्मोक इज डेंजरस, कैंसर को जाके ये आपने एक मैसेज दिया. तो सर ये आपने कैसे सोचा कि सनी को लेना या दीपक को लेना, ये आपने कुछ सोचा था ऐसे इस फिल्म के बारे में कि इनके यही आर्टिस्ट को लेना करके? प्लीज़ बताएं सर.
राव साहब, थैंक यू सो मच. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट भाई, सोचना इसमें ऐसा है, द फेस ऑफ द एरा, कौन इसको सबसे ज़्यादा प्रमोट कर सकता है एक कॉज को. दैट वाज द थॉट बिहाइंड अस. और सनी के अलावा कोई ऐसा चेहरा समझ में नहीं आया विच कैन बी अ ट्रेंड सेटर. एज यू राइटली सेड, इट्स जस्ट साउंड्स कूल, बट कूल इट्स नॉट रियली सो. इफ यू आस्क्ड सनी दैट, शी मस्ट हैव ट्राइड अ फैक्ट. बट फ्रेंड्स, मैंने कभी सिगरेट नहीं चखी, ना मैंने कभी शराब पी है. इट्स नॉट दैट इट्स समथिंग विच इज रियली टेकिंग यू for granted. You just cannot take things for granted. Think about something which is backside. There is a family with you. We are into a joint family system. We are not those nuclear families who really don't care what the story next is. As this Deepak ji rightly said, he has quit smoking today. Trust me, मैंने पहले माइक नहीं लिया, नहीं तो मैं डर के सवाल इनको पूछता, क्योंकि जब ये शूट भी कर रहे थे, he was like in and out. Deepak bhai, don't take me wrong. But the fact is, इससे बढ़िया किरदार दीपक भाई के अलावा कोई नहीं कर सकता था दोस्तों.
Yes sir.
I can't forget that every moment he shot there. Amazing. आपने जो expressions देखे उनके, when she walks to him with a glass of milk there, that's what our Indian tradition is about. वो pulse rate से बढ़ गई. It was unimaginable. और जो look दिया उन्होंने उस टाइम पे, वो पलंग का सीन छोड़िए, मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो कुंडी वो लगा रही थी तभी, जब उनकी कुंडी लगाते टाइम जब उनकी एड़ियां ऊपर गई, साथ साथ दीपक जी ऊपर उड़ गए. It was phenomenal. Trust me, nobody else could have been better than Deepak bhai. Thank you so much, Deepak bhai.
And congratulations to Sunny ji and Deepak ji, आपको भी, आपने एक सही चीज के लिए आगे आए और आपको इसी तरह मतलब तरक्की मिले. Thank you very much.
राव साहब,
हाँ.
मीडिया से एक यही गुजारिश है, इसको जितना ज्यादा प्रमोट कर सकें.
Definitely sir.
That is be the best thing for this. हमने क्या बनाया, हमने क्या किया. It's not about that. How fast it goes, how much it spreads. That message has to go loud and clear.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
One last question, please.
उसमें लंग्स में पावर ही नहीं थी सर इतना एक्साइटमेंट झेलने का तो ये साइन है तो मैंने ऐसे पकड़ा है कितनी सिगरेट पी चुका है कि लंग्स में दम ही नहीं है कि जरा सा एक्साइटमेंट भी कैरी कर पाए है ना तो ये है तो एक्साइटमेंट कैरी करने के लिए भी लंग्स में दम होना चाहिए तो ये 11 मिनट उसका वो है भाई आप लोगों को कॉल करूंगा भाई बचा लो यही है यार और क्या है बस यकीन की बात है जब सिगरेट नहीं पीता था तो बड़ा अच्छा मेरा विल पावर हुआ करता था कि एक चीज़ के पीछे पड़ जाता था तो पड़ जाता था बस सीनियर्स की देखा रेखी कि इसमें स्टाइल होता है आपको लगता है कि हर समय आप कुछ कर रहे हो जब आप सिगरेट पी रहे होते तो आपको लगता है आप सिगरेट पी भी रहे हो उसको देख भी रहे हो लाइट को तो कुछ हो रहा है आप कुछ ऐसे ऐसे भी कर रहे हो तो कुछ हो रहा है ठीक है वो आपकी जो आपकी ऑकवर्डनेस है जो या एम्बेरसमेंट या ऑकवर्डनेस को छुपाने के लिए आप सिगरेट का ज़्यादा सहारा लेते हो आप अपनी बॉडी पे वो रिएक्शंस आने ही नहीं दे रहे हो जो सोसाइटी में से आप खाली बैठ के अगर आप किसी के सामने खाली बैठे हो फॉर एग्जांपल खाली बैठे हो तो आप क्या करेंगे यार हाथ कहाँ रखें ये कैसे रखें क्या सोच रहा होगा इडियट तो नहीं लग रहा इडियट ना लगूं इसलिए सिगरेट जल जाती है और कुछ नहीं हो रहा होता है आप कुछ नहीं सोच रहे होते कोई महान काम नहीं कर रहे होते हो लेकिन आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में कुछ ऐसा आ जाता है कि बॉस आप किसी जोन में हो और कहीं ट्रांस में खोए हुए हो सीरियसली और कुछ वो नहीं होता और धीरे धीरे वो आपकी आदत बनती जाती है तो कुछ तजुर्बे भी हैं बस कुछ विल पावर कम हुई है वहाँ पे आज अगर एक कितने बड़े मकसद के लिए मैं ये प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ तो सबसे पहली ज़रूरत है कि मैं उसको खुद पे अप्लाई करूँ तो इस स्टेज से मैं अभी से प्रमोट करने से पहले मैंने ट्वीट करने से पहले सिगरेट छोड़ दी है थैंक यू थैंक यू
Thank you.
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हाँ हाँ वही कह रहा हूँ कि अगर विल पावर कम होगी तो आपको कॉल करूंगा भाई क्या करना होता है
To help you out, there
yeah,
there
thank you.
are remedies. There are Ayurvedic solutions. There are people that can help you out. Acupuncture also helps. Certain cheezeं होते हैं that can help you stop smoking. अगर आप चाहते हो, it's a socialization that you have this, like Deepak sir was saying. You socialize yourself to do this. You socialize yourself mentally to do this. So you have to unsocialize yourself to think in a different way and help it. There's help from doctors. There's help from friends. There's help from me. You can go.
Thank you.
No, we all have little bad habits. I love junk food. मैं वो छोड़ना चाहती हूँ.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. This is unfortunately.
Well, I've been lucky. मेरे co-stars जो है that smoke cigarettes always are very respectful and say, "Do you mind if I smoke?" And मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, अगर आप वहाँ smoke करती हो, then ठीक है. I personally don't like secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke is just as deadly as smoking a cigarette. No, like I said, most people that I work with have been very respectful and ask. Most people do that, so no.
Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you very much. I think I would really like to thank all of them for putting it together. So first and foremost, I'd like to really thank